9.2 question number 2 on comparing the ratios a1 over a2, b1 over b2, c1 and c1 over c2. Find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equation intersect at a point, are parallel or coincident. You have to tell whether the lines intersect at a point, they are parallel or they are coincident. Without drawing the graph, you have to tell by comparing the ratios. The method is, if two linear equations in standard form, if you are taking like this, then if a1 over a2 you will take out and b1 over b2 you will take out, and if they are coming not equal, that means the line intersect at a point. If a1 over a2 you will take and b1 over b2 you will take out and they are coming equal. If they are coming equal, you have to check c1 over c2 also. If they are also coming equal, that means the lines are coincident. Coincident means they are coming one upon another. Then third case is a1 over a2 is coming equal to b1 over b2 but not coming equal to c1 over c2. That means the lines are parallel. Okay, parallel, they will not intersect at any point. Now you have to find the ratios. If they are coming not equal, a1 over a2 not coming equal to b1 over b2, you will say intersect at a point. If all the three ratios are coming equal, you will say coincident. If a1 over a2 is coming equal to b1 over b2 but not coming equal to c1 over c2, then you will say the lines are parallel. So see first part, 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0 and 7x plus 6y minus 9 equal to 0. When you will compare with the standard equations, you will get a1 5, b1 minus 4, c1 8, a2 7, b2 6 and c2 minus 9. You will take a1 over a2, that will come 5 by 7. You will take b1 over b2 and it will come minus 4 by 6. You will cancel 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So minus 2 by 3 will come. Now 5 by 7 and minus 2 by 3 is not equal. So you will write a1 over a2 is not equal to b1 over b2. Therefore, they intersect at a point. They intersect at a point. 2. See second part, 9x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0, 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to 0. Again you will compare, you will find a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2. Now I am doing directly because we have done in first part full. Now I am doing directly. You will get 9 by 18, a1 over a2 you will get 9 by 18, b1 over b2 you will get 3 by 6 and c1 over c2 you will get 12 by 24. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 3 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So a1 over a2 is coming 1 by 2, b1 over b2 is also coming 1 by 2. So you have to check c1 over c2. So it is also coming 1 by 2. Now a1 over a2 coming equal to b1 over b2 is coming equal to c1 over c2. So this is the second case. So the lines will be coincident. Lines will be coincident. Now see third part, 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0, 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Again a1 by a2 will come 6 over 2, b1 over b2 will come minus 3 over minus 1 and c1 over c2 will come 10 over 9. Now 2 3s are 6, minus minus cancel. So a1 over a2 came 3, b1 over b2 came 3 and c1 over c2 came 10 by 9. Because they were equal, therefore we have to calculate c1 by c2. If they are not equal, then no need to calculate c1 over c2. Now you see clearly that a1 over a2 is equal to b1 over b2 but not equal to c1 over c2. Not equal, that means third case. So lines are parallel. Lines are parallel. Thank you.